Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make shrimp dumplings. To begin, you'll need about 1 pound of fresh shrimp, along with bamboo shoots and water chestnuts for that perfect crunch. Don't forget your dumpling wrappers, a bit of cornstarch, and a dash of sesame oil. Having all your ingredients prepped and finely chopped is key for a smooth process and delicious results. Now, let's create that irresistible filling. Mince about 1 pound of shrimp, but remember to keep a few whole pieces for a delightful textural contrast. Mix this with your finely diced bamboo shoots and water chestnuts. Season the blend with 1 teaspoon of salt, a pinch of white pepper, and a dash of sugar. Finally, incorporate 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and a half teaspoon of sesame oil to bind it all together beautifully. Now for the artistic part, wrapping your dumplings. Take 1 wrapper and place about 1 tablespoon of your delicious filling right in the center. Lightly moisten the edges of the wrapper with a little water. This helps with sealing. Fold the wrapper in half to form a crescent shape, then carefully pleat the edges. This creates a secure seal and that classic dumpling look. You'll get the hang of it quickly. The final step is cooking and enjoying your hard work. Steam your beautifully wrapped dumplings for approximately 7 to 8 minutes. Make sure the water in your steamer is boiling vigorously before you place them in. Once they turn translucent and plump, they are ready. Serve them immediately with your favorite dipping sauce, perhaps a mix of soy sauce and vinegar. Get ready to savor these delightful, homemade shrimp dumplings.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.